If you don't like getting lost but still drive in Ontario, then listen up. Ontario's one-way streets might seem tricky, but they're a breeze once you know the basics. First, always check for one-way signs at intersections. These will tell you which direction to go. Next, pay attention to lane markers. Solid and dashed lines are your guides. Remember, you can only turn in the direction of the one-way flow. Turning the wrong way. Not cool and definitely not safe. Don't forget pedestrians, they have the right of way. And watch out for cyclists who often share these streets with you. Finally, if you miss your turn, don't sweat it. Just go around the block safely. Better to be late than lost or in an accident. So there you have it. Follow these tips and you'll master Ontario's one-way streets like a pro. Drive safe and smart. Happy driving!